Hey, did you know that the newest AI agents are incredibly smart, but only and only if you promise to never leave the vendor's environment? It is true. The buzz right now is all about data platforms launching autonomous AI tools like Databricks Genie Code. Great tools. They can automatically build, debug, and manage your data pipelines, and honestly, sounds amazing. But here is the catch, that they will not put in a press release. Those autonomous features will only work if your data is fully ingested in their own Unity catalog and locked in there. The moment you're locked into their closed ecosystem, you are at the mercy of unpredictable pay-as-you-go pricing models that spike the second you scale. That is why enterprise leaders are looking at Cloudera. We free you from the single vendor joke. Cloudera lets you build any AI agent with any LLM, open source or not, in any GPU stack, directly in your data, whether it is on-prem or in any cloud, in any hyperscaler or sovereign cloud. Instead of falling into the Genie trap, the best practice is bringing your own agents and models under your own control and governance, and continuing to ask anything you want without worrying about the skyrocketing consumption-based cost. Either use Genie and get locked in, or create your very own Genie your way and have greater freedom and control over the data that your system can use. Are you ready to take control of your data and AI and reining costs? Then drop a comment below or send us a message to see how Cloudera stops escalating cloud costs and protects you out online.